I'm coming.
Coming. What a lovely drive in here. Watch out.
Leopard! Leopard behind you!
Oh, behind me! Oh my! Oh my! Hi, leopard. It's a quite friendly one.
A hippo!
A hippo. Let's go and say hi. Shall we?
Hi, hippo!
Yeah, hippos. There are two. Hi, hippos. Keep going. Hi, warthogs. Oh, that's a family of elephant. Hi, guys. And giraffes. Hey.
What kind of giraffe?
And this is a frog family. Ooh, they're singing. They've got a band here. Well done, guys. Carry on. Hi, gorilla. Are you chilling out?
Omelette.